Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from YouthBuddy. Dear students, aspiring designers, video editors, audio creators, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. If you are someone who wants to edit photos, create videos, or work with audio but feels confused about which software to use, this is especially for you. So let's be real for a moment. Have you ever opened your laptop thinking, I'll start editing today, and then got stuck? Too many apps, too many formats. JPG, PNG, MP3, MP4, it all feels overwhelming, right? Sometimes you don't even know where to begin. Should you use free tools? Paid tools? Which one is easy? Which one is professional? Don't worry, here's something helpful for you. Complete guide image, audio and video software, information from YouthBuddy. To explore this, visit the YouthBuddy website, go to the technology section, scroll down and open the softwares and under computers softwares select the complete guide image, audio and video software post. This topic gives you a clear idea about different types of software used for images, audio and video, along with formats, tools, and simple workflows. Whether you are a beginner or someone trying to improve your skills, this makes things much easier to understand. Now let's break it down step by step in a simple way. First, understand what you want to create. If you are working with images, tools like Photoshop or Canva are useful. Photoshop is more professional with advanced editing features, while Canva is super easy with drag and drop options, perfect for social media posts. Next, if you are working with audio, like podcasts or music, you can use tools like Audacity, which is free and beginner-friendly. For music production, apps like FL Studio or Logic Pro help you create beats and tracks easily. Then, when it comes to video editing, if you are just starting, you can try simple tools like Shortcut or iMovie. But if you want professional-level editing, software like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve gives you advanced features like color grading and effects. After that, it's important to understand formats. For images, common ones are JPG and PNG. For audio, you'll see MP3 and WAV. For video, MP4 is the most commonly used format. Knowing these formats helps you choose the right output for your work. Finally, follow a simple workflow. For example, if you are making a YouTube video, you record your video, edit it, add effects, export it as MP4, and create a thumbnail using Canva or Photoshop. Or if it's a podcast, you record, clean the audio, adjust sound levels, and export it as MP3 before publishing. Now let's quickly look at why this is actually helpful. One big advantage is that you get updated and practical information about tools and formats, so you don't waste time experimenting blindly. Another thing is simplicity. These tools are explained in a way that helps both beginners and experienced users choose what works best for them. And also, flexibility. You can pick tools based on your needs, whether it's free software, professional tools, or something in between. So yeah, once you understand these basics, things become much smoother, and honestly, a lot more fun too. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the technology section on the YouthBuddy website. Then select Complete Guide Image, Audio and Video Software under the Software category in Computers Softwares. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from YouthBuddy, signing off.